What's up, guys? Welcome to another vlog, another day in my life, or a couple days in my life. If you are new, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you are not new, hey, welcome back to another video. Make sure it's not your last. Hit that subscribe button, and let's just go ahead and get into today's video. It's basically going to be a vlog. I'm getting ready to start on breakfast. I've already done like my morning stretches. I've been on this new thing, like stretching in the morning. I got into this morning stretching because y'all, I was doing a workout and I was having the hardest time like doing the workouts and stuff. I'm like, oh my goodness, I need to work on my mobility, my flexibility, because baby, this ain't it. So I'm feeling really good this morning because I've been doing it, I think going on 2 weeks now. So yeah, your girl is going strong. I've been working out at night, so yeah. But these nails, y'all see this? Focus. I haven't had a nail to break, and I haven't walked around with my nails looking like this in a long time. So I may be doing that today. Hubby is off work today, so I'm thinking we may get into something today. Not sure, but of course we're gonna bring you guys along, and I am going to be cooking something new for breakfast. I'm actually gonna cook an omelet. Look at this omelet right here. That looks amazing. I should have got some mushrooms. We're gonna do that next. Alright, so here's the moment where I think I should have looked at the recipe before I ordered groceries last night, because it calls for half and half. I'm thinking maybe I can use milk. Or I could use some whipping cream. So I have some heavy whipping cream, and I'm gonna try to put this in, and I'll let you guys know how it comes out, okay? But the recipe calls for half and half. We are gonna see what this do. But I'm not doing as much as the recipe, so y'all, this is not even the right measuring cup. Okay, I see what we doing today. It's all good. Y'all know me, I like the eyeball stuff anyway, so we gonna try it. I know what I should have been doing. I should have had my bacon in the air fryer already. So let me go ahead and put that in there. Here is our bacon of the day. Y'all, I have tried turkey bacon and I just cannot get with it. A lot of people say it's a particular like brand, like it's particular brands that they like, you know? So maybe I haven't found the right brand yet. Drop your favorite brand of turkey bacon down below, because the last comment I got, I'm like, I can't give it this. How do people eat this? Like, nah. So while my bacon is cooking, I'm actually getting ready to cook the girls some pancakes. Alright, y'all, so it is time for the taste test, okay? I'm a little nervous. Did I burn it a little bit? Like, girl. Shai had a doctor's appointment this morning, so I'm gonna taste this and see if it's even worth me cooking him one, okay? Maybe I need to just go ahead and keep perfecting it. So, y'all, this is good. I feel like that TikTok, you know, people was making when they it was Tiffany Haddish. Ooh, this is nice. And she be like, this is nice. Y'all, this is good, okay? Some tomatoes would be so good. Oh yes, I'm about to make him one of these. Hey baby, you done with your stuff?
Yeah.
You about to be on the way home?
Yeah.
Look, I just made an omelet for the first time and it's bomb. You want me to cook you one?
You said omelet? What you put in there?
I just put cheese and bacon. That's all I had. Like, I could put sausage, but I don't think you want sausage in yours.
No, just put cheese and bacon.
Alright, do the same thing you just did, girl. Alright, so I'm gonna do a little butter. I think I'm gonna do a little less butter this time. So I think that hubby's came out better looking than mine. Hopefully it tastes as good as mine. So in conclusion, I think the heavy whipping cream was fine.
Would you like to listen to another song similar to that?
No. This is my morning anthem right here. I have to play it every morning, probably about 20 times. I am woman, I am fearless, I am sexy, I'm divine. I'm unbeatable, creative, use again. What's up, guys? So it is a little later in the afternoon, 4 o'clock in the afternoon to be exact. I just arrived at the nail salon. Me and Skylar are getting ready to get our nails done. I think I showed y'all this morning how my nails was looking. Like, girl, this has to go. Another like look at these before I get them done. Yeah, you can get out your seatbelt. So I just decided on what I want to get on my nails because I'm always basic and I just get a solid color, but I want to, you know, spruce it up a little bit this time. And I'm going to do French tips, but I'm going to do red French tips. Like basically what I want to get on my nails. I think that is so cute. It's focusing on my face. Now it's focusing on your face. But that is what I want to get. Something like that. But I think that'll be so cute.
That
so
would be
cute.
so cute.
You like that?
My dad went for Valentine's Day.
Yes.
That was for Valentine's Day too.
Yes, girl, they're so cute. Ooh. We already got wrapping paper, girl. Come on. Oh, what happened? What happened? Let me see. It's okay. What's up, y'all? So, out of the nail salon, and here are my nails. They look cute, different. I got a different shape, and I got the French tips. Woo! It's cold. It's been snowing since we've been in there. So yeah, I'm getting ready to head back home. Looks like we may not be going skating tonight, y'all. Y'all see our forecast? Y'all see that? So it's pretty much going to be snowing for the next 3 hours. It's gonna be snowing for the next 3 hours.
Go out there when it's snowing if you want.
Hey, my haircut. Do I need a haircut?
Done.
She
She said, look like you really need one.
Yeah, Sky, you doing me dirty, man.
I put a lot of Oreos, guys. I said I put a lot of Oreos. Here's shrimping in there. Alright, got a milkshake. Milkshake. Is it good? You like it?
I'll give it a 10 out of 10.
A 10 out of 10. You hear that, Daddy?
What?
I got a 10 out of 10. I'm making some milkshakes, guys.
Oh, she would give me 2 out of 10.
No, she don't. She don't like to hurt your feelings, baby.
Right, Sky? Every time I cook something, you always give me 10 out of 10, right? What?
She don't like to hurt your feelings.
I thought you disrespected me. I'm sorry you disrespecting me.
I already said she ain't no daddy's girl no
You
more.
put me on team.
You on mommy team, right? Right.
I'm on that mommy now. On that cream.
Here.
That it tastes good.
What you think, Summer?
Taste the milkshake.
I think Summer. I think we have another winner. Taste it, Daddy.
I did.
Good. It really is good. You gonna be wanting me to You gonna be want me to make these all the time, Sky?
I want to taste it. I want to taste it.
Somebody eat all the cheese.
So here are my nails, guys.
I see you, girl. I see you right there. Hey, girl. So look at mommy. Look at mommy. Watch this. Are you ready?
I think this makes it scarier. Like, this makes it scarier.
What?
You freaking behind me with the damn balloons. Like, you.
All right, listen. So you have to let me know.
We're not doing this.
Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. 'Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me we'll be on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too.
Summer, you wanna get on? Come on. Look at Daddy. Go, Summer.
It's like, oh my, all that all day, but the night I get that good, good till we act right.
Thank you.
We'll be on the day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. You'd rather stay high, I know.
What's up, y'all? So it is the next day. It's in the car. Come here, Sky. It's the next day. We're actually in the grocery store right now picking up a few things because we are going to be doing like a video with different foods. So we're just picking up a few groceries. You holding on, Summer? What kind you getting? What's up, y'all? So it is the next day and we are getting ready to have ice cream night.
Ice cream night.
Ice cream night. So today, this is mommy video, and we're about to have an ice cream night. We have all of the ingredients. And Summer got a little bit on her plate, so.
Sure. Some of you got all the ingredients.
Yeah,
And we're about to have movie night.
so we got vanilla ice cream, we got cookies and cream ice cream, and we got some caramel and some unicorn stuff and some cherries and some sprinkles and some like sugar stuff, and then we got some cones and stuff, and we got all our plates and spoons. So we're about to do this right now, and comment below if you like our videos and subscribe to Mommy and Me channel.
Ooh, I like
Period.
that. Period.
What are you doing, Summer? All right, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Oh, and we're trying out this new ice cream.
Daddy, I'm about to.
It's Oreo. It's 2-in-1 Oreo and Chip Ahoy. Which one y'all getting? Which one you getting, Daddy?
I'm gonna get both of them. I'm gonna get both.
You getting both?
I'm gonna get both.
You getting both, Daddy?
No, I'm just getting the 2-in-1, the Oreos and the
I'm
Chip
gonna
Ahoy.
get both.
What you getting, Sky?
I'm gonna just get both.
Oh, you getting both? All right, let's get it started.
Let's get it.
So I'm getting that ice cream. Yeah, show me your muscles there, girl.
I got it.
You got it? Oh, look at some of my muscles.
Okay, Summer.
What you doing?
She's really doing it too.
Teamwork made the dream work, girl.
Oh, these are mixed together.
You thought it was.
I thought it was like half one side. You know how like the chocolate and vanilla tea, babe?
Hey, no, girl.
Ew, this is not gonna be a good combo.
Yes, it is. Oreos and chocolate.
Nah.
Look. Spring, 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 spring. Is that good?
Spring, 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 spring.
Cherries?
Is that it silly?
Ernest, that's how you know the thing.
Right. I mean, no, say something, daddy.
Shopping's not going up.
Yeah. Gotta take it out.
One cherry? One cherries? Oh, you don't? Okay. My bad. My bad, son. Mmm. You want it?
She don't never want to eat them. No, I don't want this. My baby let you
My
know.
bad, y'all. Graham crackers?
I'm gonna put the cherries all around. All around.
Are you gonna eat them all?
Something like that doing simple, just sprinkle, that's it. We good to go.
Right. Mmm, look at sky pies. Mmm. What's wrong, baby? You ate all yours?
You want sprinkles? I'm like, you got sprinkles right there?
Oh, eat your sprinkles, mamas.
No.
Here's mine. I got vanilla and I put a little of the caramel hard shell on there and got some cherries. How does it taste, guys?
Want to try some of mine? Look, try some of mine?
No.
Alright, go sleep then.
Shut up.
Look, try some of mine. You gotta try mine. It's good.
Ooh, try it.
Try it, please. Alright, get it.
Mmm. Okay, tell me about yours. What you got on here, babe?
I got the Chips Ahoy and the Oreo ice cream, the mixture. I got sprinkles, like graham cracker, like
Shit,
crust.
crust. Yeah.
And I got the magic shell, the unicorn flavor, and cherries.
Mmm. It's time for you to go night night. Daddy gonna get you? Go, Sky, go! You do too much. You want to throw that juice?
So guys, I hope you have a good video and join us golf and we better have a movie night right now. We better watch a Minions and stuff like that. So join the Scott family, hit that like button. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and put some more stars or some more hearts or some more like triangles or some emojis or something like that. So comment down below if you like our videos and give it a big thumbs up. Bye guys.